Welcome to Simplekidscrafts.com, episode 772, How to Make a Doll Vacuum Cleaner. For the vacuum cleaner's body, we're going to use bottle caps. You can use any bottle cap that looks similar to a vacuum cleaner body. You can even use a pencil sharpener that has a lid, like this. I will use a pencil sharpener for my demonstration today. Start by making the hose and cleaning nozzle. Cut a skewer stick that is about half of the height of your doll. Cut a piece of rope that is about 3 times the height of the stick. Cover the stick and the rope with silver tape. Then cover the rest of the rope with black tape. To make the nozzle, cut a piece of foam, fold in thirds and glue in place. And attach the skewer stick using a bead. You can use additional tape to cover the bead. To make the body of the vacuum cleaner, place buttons as wheels on each side. You can further decorate by using beads. Then, place a hose at the top using a pony bead. You can also make a small hole at the top and glue. And add a tea bag as a vacuum cleaner bag. Place a small button at the top to simulate a turn on and off button. Here I share several of the vacuum cleaners I made today. This one I made for my Monster High and Winx dolls. And this one I made for my American Girl doll. This last one I made for my Barbie doll. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video and don't forget to share, comment, rate, subscribe, and keep on recycling. I will see you on the next video. Bye!